Hi, and now we're starting. So this is my flarp slime, and I'm gonna show you how I made it. And some of y'all might not believe me. Sorry about my cough, by the way. Some of y'all might not believe me, but this is actually flarp. I promise. I will not lie to you, okay? The things that I have, you might have to make, or you might have to buy. The first thing we need is the flarp. Noise putty. It's a putty. It's not really slime, but I made it slime. Can you hear those fart sounds? I think only flarp does that. Okay. Sorry if you don't believe me, but I promise you, this is flarp. Like, look deep up in there. It's all nasty. Can you see that? Like, it's very nasty. I found this in my laundry room. It was not open, but it had lots of hair in it. And yeah, this was a pair. So I have one of my homemade slimes. Technically not homemade. It's clay based. I had a flea market. I went to the flea market a while back, and I bought a packet about this big, maybe smaller, of clay, and I thought it was slime, like this, but I thought it was like butter slime, and it wasn't. It was just clay. I'm like, wow, they ripped me off. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make slime and add my clay in it. So the first thing I did was I added it one by one. Like, I would get the little clay thing, then I would take it out and then put my slime in it and mix it, and then put it back. That took forever. I had this box. It was like two right here with slime, and it was sticky, and I couldn't get it unsticky. So I was like, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to put all the slime in here. There was red, green, white, yellow, blue, purple, black, and it just ended up this purple, and I didn't even put any in it. So, yeah, anyways, I took a piece of this. You see how not stretchy this is? Like, I'm not even joking. If I try to stretch it really slowly, it will work, but I go fast, I can do that. So I got like, not even that, but this much slime, maybe a little bit less, and I put it in my flarp side. But I only put a little bit. Dang it. I only put like a little piece, not even about like this much. And it all together, and it was amazing. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna put it in here because I know if I put it in here, it's just gonna mess up. I need that. So I said, I'm just gonna put this off to the side. Right? And then I got this slime, and I put lotion. This lotion, I only use this lotion. So you can see that. Yeah, I only use this lotion, and not even a few drops, that much. And then I just massaged it in like this, and just started following it on top of each other. And it started becoming very, very good slime. And I was like, yes. And then it was yellow, like this. the top one or this one. So I had to add this. This is the apple barrel. I can't pronounce it, sorry guys. But I hope you can see that. Focus. Oh. Anyways, it's called Pewter gray. So add a little bit of that. Wow. Add a little bit of that to my slime. And again, I added like a whole bunch of this and it's still kind of yellow. And I kind of got on my fingers, but I managed to wash them away. And then I make this slime, and then not optional. This is optional. If you have a color that you like, keep it that color. I'm not saying change to gray. You can change it to whatever color you want. Just if it's a great color that you have now, you don't have to change it. Okay. So yeah, you don't have to get this exact paint. Sorry. You don't have to get this exact paint. You can get like food coloring, stuff like that. Yeah. And then, that's optional, remember, okay? Another optional thing is add perfume. Sorry, I was looking at the back. This is by Victoria's Secret. It's called Bare Vanilla. It smells really good. It's really strong. And I already added a lot in here. So you can also buy scents like what are they called? They're like scents that you put in slime and it makes it smell that good. And you don't have to add perfume. You can add scents. But yeah, I made this slime the best. So if you like how the slime is, I suggest you do what I told you. And yeah, it don't have to be the exact thing. I think you could just get regular lotion and regular perfume if you have any. Okay, sorry. You don't have to use the exact. I got this as a gift. I work at a daycare. One of my parents gave me this as a gift. And I just used it for this slime. And it looks really well. I promise. Look. This is like homemade. It looks like homemade slime, right? But it's not. If you could feel it, you would know the difference because it does not feel like homemade slime. It looks like it, but it does not feel like it. It feels like putty, honestly. But yeah, this is my video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you believe me, because honestly it may seem like it's a trick, but I cross my heart and hope to die if I'm lying, but I'm not. I promise. Okay, so get a flarp, put lotion in it, or you could put one of your homemade slime in it, and it'll be good. But the homemade slime is also optional. Everything I told you is basically optional, except for the flarp. Flarp you actually need. Okay? And if you have flarp and it's like brand new, I would suggest waiting a little while. I think it's flarp melts. I'm not sure, but this was kind of melted. It was like, it's good. It was good. Actually, no, it wasn't. I'm lying. It was bad. It would not stretch. It would freaking poke. If I poked it, it would go back to its original shape. It wouldn't even make the sound. It would be like this. So, yeah. This is my video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.